In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim the Amazon Prime student discount. Whether you're a student or a young adult, with a few steps, you can enjoy the many benefits of Amazon Prime at a fraction of the regular price. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about verifying your eligibility. To benefit from Amazon Prime at a discounted rate, you need to meet certain criteria. Specifically, if you're between the ages of 18 and 24, you qualify for the Prime for Young Adults offer. Alternatively, if you're currently enrolled as a student, then the Prime student offer is just the ticket for you. Knowing which group you fall under is the essential first step in this process. Once you're clear on your eligibility, it's time to sign up. If you're aiming for Prime for Young Adults, head over to Amazon.com, join Student, and follow their straightforward, on-screen instructions. The process is intuitive and guides you through account creation and confirmation. On the other hand, if you qualify for Prime Student, visit Amazon.com Prime Access. Here you'll need to verify your eligibility with a qualifying document, which we'll discuss in a bit, and follow the on-screen instructions. It's quick and easy, so you'll be on your way in no time. Next up, providing proof of enrollment might be necessary to complete your registration, especially for Prime Student. If you have a .edu email address, things are a bit smoother. Simply sign up using that email, which typically provides an automatic confirmation of your student status. However, if you don't have a .edu email, don't worry. You can still qualify by sending an email to Amazon's student verification address from the email associated with your Amazon account. Make sure to attach or include valid proof of your enrollment, like a transcript or enrollment verification letter. This step ensures that Amazon can verify your student status manually, allowing you to enjoy the student benefits. Now, let's talk about the good stuff, the benefits you receive once you've successfully signed up. First off, how does a 6-month free trial sound? That's right, you get full Prime benefits without paying a penny for the first 6 months. It's a fantastic way to get familiar with all that Prime has to offer, from speedy delivery to exclusive deals and more. Once your trial ends, you can continue enjoying these benefits at a significantly reduced rate of just $7.49 a month or $69 annually. And there you have it. By confirming your eligibility, signing up, and possibly verifying your student status, you can unlock a world of benefits with Amazon Prime. Enjoy the convenience and savings, and happy shopping.